This is a kitchen helper stand for Otto. He's always wanted to be involved with the ongoings in the kitchen, so now he can. Since this was introduced, there's been a lot less food thrown on the ground. Sorry, doggos. And Otto has become a much better eater. I took some necessary measurements, anticipating for future growth spurts, created a design for the CNC, and got to work. I had a large piece of 3/4 inch plywood left over. This was enough material to make the entire kitchen stand. I cut 21-inch wide strips along the 4-foot sides of the plywood. Here's the design of the stand. There's two sides that are 34 inches tall. The two pieces are mirror images of each other. Then, several pieces of equal length connected two sides. 4 of those are the same width. Another slightly wider piece is a step. In addition to that, the main standing platform can slide into place. There are 5 different slots to adjust the height of the platform. My XCarve CNC can only cut a maximum of 29 inches in one direction. To make bigger cuts like I need to here, I'll use a process called tiling. It's really easy to do with this machine. First, I cut a decent portion of a piece, about 27 inches. Then I slid the tile down to a specific amount and cut the rest. This machine is capable of doing multiple tiles if you're doing a really long piece. I used a multi-tool to cut the tabs, removing the main pieces from the excess. Then I used a Dremel to shave down and eliminate the tabs. Once all the pieces were cut out, I test fit it all together just to make sure my design worked as planned. I think it looks really good. It's simple, clean, and seems pretty safe. It would be really bad if Otto got a splinter from this, so this is the first of several sandings to make sure it's smooth and safe. Sharp plywood corners are an easy way to get splinters and cuts, so I used a 1/4 inch roundover bit to curve all the exposed edges on the large side pieces, as well as the cross bracing. The roundover bit has a bearing that rolls along the edge, making the cut even all the way around. The only problem came when the roller rolled into one of the CNC notches and gouged in too far. It's the outside edge, so I'll just wait to do the rest until after it's all assembled. I vacuumed everything really well and then started assembling. The step is the only piece that isn't on an edge, so it's the first piece to go in. It's attached with glue and a couple of finish nails. The platform is pressed into place to hold it steady while I attach the rest. The rest of the cross bracing pieces go on really easily with more glue and finish nails. I made sure to clean up any excess glue drips. When the 5 pieces were secure, I flipped it and attached the other ends of the 5 pieces at the same time, removing the slide-in platform because it's not needed at the moment. As far as assembly goes, this was really easy to put together and was done in a matter of minutes. After letting the glue dry for a bit, I brought it inside to allow the official tester to inspect the progress.
Good job! Go!
Yay!
You're so cheeky.
It passed inspection, so we move on. I rounded the outside edge that wasn't done before, but I forgot about the platform slots and gouged another spot. Oy vey. Let's just say it adds some character. I also hand sanded all the routed edges to make sure it was smooth and safe. Depending on the quality of plywood, there may be voids inside the layers. A void in this was revealed during CNC cutting in a not so good spot. I used wood filler to fill in the voids as well as the finished nail holes. The next day, I sanded it all smooth. Finally, I used some spray polyurethane to seal it really well. This will guarantee get really messy over its lifetime. so several layers of poly will make cleanup possible and easy. I slid the platform into the ideal height level right now. It's a snug fit, but changing the height will be no problem. Last but not least, I added some soft pads underneath to keep it from scratching the floor. And that's it. Easy project. Now Otto can be involved in the kitchen, and pretty soon we'll make him do all the cleaning and cooking. Okay? That's it for now. See ya. Hey Otto!
Uh-oh.
Make me a sandwich.
No.
Sorry, please make me a sandwich.
Mmm. Mmm.